Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet. Today we are working on the 1972 Super Beetle, and this is going to be a follow-up on yesterday's video. For those of you who watched that, you know that I hooked up the headlight switch, went to turn the ignition switch, and got no power. So, listening to some of your guys' comments, and also reaching out to Gary at VW Jawbreaker. He walked me through a couple steps, and I'm going to show you what we talked about and see if we solve the problem. So what he recommended was get a test light. I think this is called a Leslie, whatever. It's like just a cheap $10 test light. I got an AutoZone. I've got it grounded. It's just a simple gator clip and a probe. So what I did is I took the probe, put it on the positive cable, and let's see here. You can see the light does light up, so that means we're getting power. So we know we got power from here. Now, to the best of my knowledge, we're going to go from here over to the regulator, which is on right behind the driver's side seat. All right, so now we're over at the voltage regulator area. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to follow, let's see here, we're going to follow the wire coming off the battery terminal, and that's going to go to the top plug right there. So let's see if we got some power lighting that one up. We do have power. Now, looking over here, let's see if I can find it real quick. Looking at the voltage regulator, bear with me 1 second here. We know the wire comes in and it's going to go right back out. And you can tell I got my little work area all set up. I got a fire extinguisher, always handy. So let's go back to the car. So we know that this wire here, the top one, is the one that comes off the battery. So now we got this wire here that it goes to the front of the car. So we're going to take their test light. We got power there. So now we're going to go to the front of the car and chase that wire down. So you guys would have remembered, if you watched all the wiring series videos on the 1972 Super Beetle, looking at the reference of the Bentley manual, we know that it's the fourth wire coming off the very end here, which is this one right here. Now, for those of you who did follow the wiring series, this was the wire that I told you guys did not follow the pattern on the Bentley manual. It was said it was a solid red wire that went into a red and white wire, that it split, and it actually went down from a 6mm to a 4mm wire, and in this case it's not the case. So I did find the wire. This is the wire that came off the back. So we're going to, let's see if I can do this here through the viewfinder. Here, let me put you guys, okay, so here is the wire there that came off the back. Again, we're going to take the test light, we're going to put it in the little connector there, and we see that we do get a positive reading. So this wire is supposed to go to that terminal right there. So all I did was I stuck that wire into that fuse, or into that slot right there. As you can tell, I got to rewire this wire because it looks kind of sloppy like that. I did install the relay, which several people did mention. And so I'm working on this turn signal switch, but to the best of my knowledge, that headlight and that turn signal, to the best of my knowledge, will light up. So let's go see if we have any power or have anything positive to report now. Let's go ahead and turn. This is the switch that I wired up yesterday that we got no power whatsoever. So we're going to turn the switch on. Now we're going to turn the ignition on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the switch all the way to the on position. I don't see nothing there, so maybe if I turn the switch on, maybe that might work. Let's go up front and take a look and see what's going on here. Okay, nothing's lighting up there. So let's go see what else is going on. So we'll get back here. Let's see if we can bump over the starter at all. And there you go, guys. I wasn't expecting that, but I'll take that as a win-win for all of us. So I don't know why the front turn signal or light's not lighting up now, but I wasn't expecting to turn the engine over either. But there's no smelling of burnt wires, nothing, and now we know that we got crank. So now we're back to square one on another problem. So I guess this is a positive win-win again. So thumbs up, thumbs down, smash that like button, leave your comments. I really didn't know what to say, guys, because I was really expecting to show you the turn signal light, and we got some more positive news and got the car to crank. It's not running, but it is a great start. So thank you guys again for your comments, and we'll catch you on the next video. So if you have any more comments, just write them down, and we'll catch you on tomorrow's video. Take care, guys, and God bless you.